Welcome. Letters and the zoo.
A is for ant, tiny and quick. B is for bear, strong and thick. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog with happy feet. Alphabet animals come alive.
Jump and dance under the sky.
Big and small, they make us smile.
Alphabet fun goes wild for a while. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish, swimming proud.
G is for goat, jumping high. H is for horse, running by.
Alphabet animals come alive.
Jump and dance under the sky.
Big and small, they make us smile.
Alphabet fun goes wild for a while. I is
Impala.
on a tree. J is for jellyfish under the sea.
K is for kangaroo, bouncing around.
L is for lion, king of the ground.
M.
Is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for newt, look and see. O is for owl, moving at night. P is for parrot, colorful and bright. Q is for quail, quiet and small. R is for rabbit with a bouncing call. S is for squirrel, quick to run. T is for tiger, strong in the sun. U is for unicorn, fish in the sea. V is for vulture in the tree. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. X is for X-ray tetra, swimming in tune. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.